Today I am testing Northeast Way EA, currency symbol is GBP USD, and testing duration is 1 year and 8 months. Period is M5 and spread is 20. Open expert properties. Initial deposit is 5000 and I am using default settings. Now click OK and press the start button. Now open the graph tab to watch the performance of this expert advisor. Now open the report tab. Drawdown is 59.31% while total loss is minus 2893.40. Here drawdown is very high. Now open the settings and open expert properties. Here you can see that this expert advisor is also using Martingale strategy and it is using lot increment 2.5. I think this value is very high because this is a Martingale EA, therefore it is very risky to use in live environment. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Happy trading.